So the ultimate tactical survival tool for anyone and everyone. This here, don't leave your home if you're going outdoor without this. Whether you like camping, hiking, fishing, trail walking, whatever you're doing, you need this. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why. This is carbon fiber high steel. If you lose your map and you don't know how to find your way back, built-in compass. If you're ready to chop some firewood, if you're ready to start a fire, if you want to dig a trench, you want to dig a hole, you want to split some wood, whatever you want to do, this is the ultimate tool. First mood that we could set this into, this is a pickaxe mood right here. Change this, all you gotta do is unscrew this part right here. You're gonna move that up. We're gonna fold this in, open that up like that, and then you wanna tighten it up. It actually locks in pretty well. Impress. Really sturdy, heavy duty carbon steel. And now we got a shovel. Whether you're on the beach or whether you're digging, you are ready to dig, which I'm gonna show you guys. That right there, this is a hook. So you could hook it. But if you open it up and then you curve it out right here, now we got a hole. So what if you're pulling or digging like this straight, you could straight like that garden, or example, you're in the beach or you're in the forest and you're trying to clear a pathway. This thing is incredible. My favorite right now though is when I have both of the option, and that's it. So we could use the shovel side, we could use the pickaxe side, which I love. It weighs about 28 ounce. I believe if we unscrew this part here, the compass part, we have a whistle for emergency. If you need help right here, if you need help or anything, you want to call somebody or, you know, whatever it is, call your dog and stuff, you could just blow the whistle right there. Got your nice, beautiful compass right here. Tells you exactly your location and where you should be heading and stuff. And if we look right here, close up detail, we have a bottle opener. In this part, we could cut like saw wood, like a saw, like a hand saw. And this part is very sharp right here, so we could dig. And this part right here, we could cut. You see how sharp it is? It's like a knife. So we literally could cut from one side, we could open a beer, and we could cut wood, like saw wood. So this thing is the ultimate. And the grip, look at this grip right here. Look at the grip. They give you two grips so you could hold it like here. It's a really nice, sturdy, good quality. So this could go into 3 different lengths. The whole length of this is 24.21 inches. It go in 3 different lengths. By all you got to do is unscrew this. Real good screwing, man. And so you could take out the middle section if you want. Look at that. See that? The whole middle section loose. And then you could just screw this one on and we make it shorter. All right, so look, we come right here by the root. Look, see? All right, so we're going to hold some of these stuff back in. Look at that. It's like a rake, you know? And look, you could cut stuff, chop stuff in. Look at that. Doesn't survive anywhere. Look at that clean cut right there. See that, man? And you see, it doesn't move. Like, it doesn't move up and down. It's just stuck right there. This is worth every single penny. Pickaxe too, if you have to like dig in anywhere, you know, split any log or a little wood or something, you could get in there. Or you want to hunt, this is a great idea for a hunting. Trust me, protect yourself. This is next level. I'm gonna tell you right now, for the price, first of all, this thing is cheap. It's very cheap for the quality and the amount of stuff this thing is featuring. It is incredible, making this the best gift for survival. It's good, it's strong, it's heavy duty, and it could do a lot of stuff. If you walk with a knife alone, you only could do a couple stuff with the knife. My dog's trying to eat the camera stick. But if you walk with this, you could cut, you could saw cut, you could open a beer, you use your pickaxe, split some wood, split some ice or rocks or whatever you want to do. And then you got your compass, you got a whistle. Whoa, sorry guys, my dogs. Wow, so that's really loud. So that right there, if you're like, you know, trapped somewhere, you fell down in a hole or something, that right there will take you out. The shovel is really good at digging. I love it. I think this company, when I was buying too, I was checking them out. They had different size and different features and stuff like that. I'm gonna save up to buy the bigger one because there's another bigger one which I really like. But one thing at a time, baby. Can't afford all. But I love it. It's really good. Honest review here. Don't forget to check in the description box for more price and details. And if you're looking for a gift to give anyone, I highly recommend this as a gift. This here is the real deal, baby. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming honest review.